Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Explorer window won't roll down issue and the potential problems behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A window that will not roll down in the Ford Explorer is commonly described as no response when pressing the window switch, intermittent operation, or the window stopping partway. Verified owner reports and service information indicate that power window issues have been reported across multiple Ford Explorer model years and generations, with variation depending on door design, electrical system configuration, mileage, and usage. One verified and frequently reported cause is window regulator failure. Over time, the regulator mechanism can wear out, bind, or break, preventing the window from moving even though the motor may still be functioning. This is commonly noted in higher mileage vehicles and often affects one window at a time. Another confirmed cause involves window motor wear or failure. A failing motor may operate intermittently before stopping completely. Owners have reported hearing clicking or no sound at all when attempting to lower the window, depending on the failure type. Electrical supply and switch-related issues are also documented factors. Faulty window switches, damaged wiring in the door or hinge area, or poor electrical connections can interrupt power to the motor. Repeated door movement can stress wiring and lead to intermittent window operation. Control module-related concerns have also been reported in some model years. Issues within body control systems may prevent proper window operation, especially when multiple electrical functions behave inconsistently. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include moisture intrusion into door components, mechanical obstruction in the window track, or software-related behavior in newer models. These are considered possibilities and should be confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include testing the window motor and regulator, inspecting switches and wiring, repairing damaged connections, and replacing failed components once identified. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that Ford Explorer window problems are often isolated to individual doors and are commonly resolved through regulator or motor replacement rather than major electrical repair. However, outcomes vary by model year and vehicle condition. In conclusion, a Ford Explorer window that won't roll down is typically linked to regulator failure, motor issues, or electrical and control-related faults. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.